Are you thinking it's a great time to drive a new Toyota? Come see us at Beaver Toyota, the big Toyota store in St. Augustine. And I promise you this, we're here to wow you.
If you're in the market for a new vehicle and you're looking at the Honda Insight, then you need to take a closer look at the award-winning Toyota Prius. This energy-efficient hybrid continues to show its strength with EPA ratings of 51 miles per gallon in the city, 48 in the highway, and 50 combined. With the generous dimensions of the rear seat and the size and versatility of the cargo area accessed via the hatchback, this spacious Prius will provide you with a comfortable drive for the whole gang. Ease your mind knowing that this Toyota has the Star Safety System and an innovative touch tracer display allowing more time to focus on the road. The Toyota Prius offers Sirius XM radio and comes standard with hands-free phone capability and music for streaming via Bluetooth. Plus, our 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty for your peace of mind on every new Toyota at Beaver Toyota, your local family-owned dealership in St. Augustine serving Jacksonville and Palm Coast. Our professional, experienced staff is here to help you with all your automotive needs. We maintain a large inventory of new, used, and certified pre-owned cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. So give us a call today at 904-797-8800. That's 904-797-8800. Or visit us at beavertoyotastaugustine.com. 2995 US 1 South in St. Augustine, Florida.